forget that birds are an essential part of our ecosystem. With the increasing urbanization, we have destroyed their habitat, leaving them with no place to call home. At Floreal, we took a pledge to recreate sustainable habitat for birds who are native to the local area. We started by recycling old and damaged wooden boards to create beautiful nests for birds. We put them in different corners of our factory and waited for the birds to take them as their home. Months passed, but not a single bird came to adopt the nest. We were disheartened, except for one person who constantly monitored the progress of our efforts. He started putting food and water around the nests, hoping to attract the birds. After a few days, we were delighted to see some of the birds coming back to these nests. It was heartening to see our efforts paying off, and we knew that we were doing our bit to make the world a better place for birds. We hope that more people take up the cause of protecting birds and their habitat and join us in creating sustainable environments for them. At Floreal, we believe in creating a better world for everyone, and we hope that you will join us in our efforts.